Okay, hi. We are on part C of lesson 4.1, and this is just a word problem. Just split it up a bit to make the question a little bit shorter, or the video a little shorter. Um, this question is just to show you that having it factored can make solving things, makes the math easier. Sometimes you have to factor things, but we'll get to that later. But just, let's just do this. So the area the surface area of a cone is given by this formula, okay? Where r is the radius of the cone and the s is the slant height, which is this line here. It's the slanted part of the cone. And to find, we are asked to find the surface area of the cone to the nearest 0.01 centimeter when it has these dimensions. So our formula is area equals pi r squared plus pi r s. Always write the formula down. That's how you remember it. Makes life easier. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to put my pi here, and my radius is 2.60. So 2.60 squared plus pi times the radius, which is 2.60 times 7.40, because that's the slant height. And then I get my calculator out and I punch all that in, and I get, actually, I did it like this. Oh, nope, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong thing. So I punch all that in my calculator and I get 81.68 centimeters squared. Okay, that's just plugging it into your calculator. Okay, let's take the formula and factor it. So if I look at my formula right here, what I can factor out of that is pi r, and I'm left with r plus s. Okay, I hope you can see that. And now we're going to do the calculations. So I've got my area is going to be pi times the radius, which is 2.60, times the radius, 2.60 plus 7.40. So when I do some math, I get, this is 2.6 times 10, which means that it equals 26 pi. And then I just hit the pi button once and I get 81.68 centimeters squared when I round it. So I get the exact same answer. Which method is easier to use? So I'm hoping, if you haven't already, pick up your calculator and do these, and you're probably going to find that the second method was simpler, okay? One more thing that I just want to draw your attention to on this. This is the exact value, okay? Pi, anytime we hit the pi button or we use 3.14, but you shouldn't be using 3.14 by the time you're in grade 10. You should be using the pi button. This is an approximation, right? We have rounded it to 2 decimal places. This is exact because we're just saying like pi in all of its infinite glory is what it's going to be. So if you're asked for something in exact form, you're going to keep the pi symbol there instead of having an actual decimal answer like we have here. This is always going to be an approximation. Okay, that's it. Go do the word problem. I think there's only one, maybe two in the practice. Go do it. Bye.